1974 Corvette automatic, power windows, power locks, factory side pipes, 50,000 original miles. Listen to her, she's sweet. Needs a bumper, we have the bumper for it. Nice car, runs, turns on like a champ. Original paint, original light interior, needs carpet. We have the radio bezel, it needs a radio bezel. Sitting here idling in park, around 800 RPMs, 700-800 RPMs. Idles and drive at 500 RPMs. Nice car. Rear bumper, we put the other bumper on. Needs paint. Have the glass tops, factory tops. Listen to her, baby. 50,461 miles. Nice car. Power windows work perfectly. All original, all documentation. Nice car. Idling at 400-500 RPMs. We have the other bezel. Everything works. AC, automatic, power windows, 270 foot-pounds of torque, 350 cubic inch, 8.5 to 1. Nice car. It's got a little bit of work done to the engine. A little bit of work done. There she is, a little bit bigger cam. Mallory distributor. Runs like a champ. All original. All original. Have all the other parts that came off of the car. Nice car. 74 Corvette.